guys. So I think some of you know Sub to Dimitri. But if you're confused and you say Sub to Dimitri is me, my name is Dimitri, but my YouTube name is Sub to Demi number 3. SUB 2 DEMI 3. This one is Sub to Dimitri. SUB 2 DEMITRI. Yes. This is a broken tablet, yet it still contains my entire YouTube channel in the past of 2023. Yes, it's been 2 years.
It has to be put into consideration.
I'm going to show you.
Labas na nga yung social worker dito, labas na yung ating batas. Ito bilang isang
Please work.
tatay ako.
Please work.
Yung bang
Please work.
wala kayo ang talo dito.
If this doesn't work, then I'm ending the video. If this is 0%, I'm ending the video.
What is happening right now, I'll tell you frankly, I'm sorry selfishness ang umiira sa'yo. Yung, ma'am, sorry ma'am, let me just finish. Kung ano yung sa tingin mo,
If this doesn't work, I'm ending the video for real. For real.
Hindi mo naman iniisip yung kapang mga bata. Ayaw mag-sacrifice sa pagsasakripisyo ng bawat isa, diyan tumatatag ang samahan ng mag-asawa. Yung walang sakripisyo, yung mataas na rate ng hulayan. So, talang kumano ba yung mga anak mo?
Oh shoot. 6? I mean 8? My god. My god, 8%. It's a battery saver. Oh my god. So, my god, 7. So, unfortunately, we cannot interview this, but I will make a new app. Asphalt Nitro. Psych, I'm going to interview it. So, this one is Sub to Dimitri. Sub to Dimitri.
Kaso, ang tinamaan ng mga bata, hindi ka pa makonsensya doon.
So,
Wala ba yung one last
over here, I remember I have 120 subscribers here. So, thank you for watching this. Please make sure to like and subscribe because my tablet is low, 6%. The Sub to Dimitri. This one, it's 6%. Bye.